In today's video, it's not about NFT, the NESFAB Talon, it's about NFT, the NESFAB trailer. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to NESFAB. What you're looking at here is our brand new 2024 Synergy 28 V-nose enclosed car trailer. So this thing just got delivered a couple days ago from good old state of Georgia. Had it delivered because I was not about to make that drive up there. So let's just say NFT is getting a little spoiled this year. So we finally pulled the trigger, got us an enclosed trailer. If you guys have been following the channel, you guys have been seeing that for the last couple years we've just been rocking with the open deck trailer, which has got me by, no complaints. Luckily enough to have a trailer to get the car back and forth to the track. But as the racing program has kind of evolved, and the potential of us having to travel more to go to races, and potentially we're planning on traveling more just to race, the open deck just wasn't going to cut it. So we picked up this bad boy. So it's gray with the blackout trim. Interior is fully decked out. I'll get this thing opened up and I'll show you guys what's up. All right, let's step inside to our new on-the-road home. NFT's new on-the-road garage. Man, this thing is sweet. It's kind of nicer in pictures, or nicer in person than it is in pictures. As you can see, we got it fully decked out, fully finished on the inside. You know, you got the white vinyl panel walls. It's got the blackout on the inside as well. We got the escape door to get in and out of the car easier. We got a 36-inch man door over here, and then we got plenty of cabinets and storage. So this is a V-nose trailer, so that gives you the option or the possibility to have kind of more counter space without really taking up floor space. So if I measured it, if I remember right, I measured it, it was like just under 27 feet, I think, from back of the trailer to the cabinet, which should give us plenty of space to get for sure the ATV in here, and then the car in here. We're eventually going to get rid of the ATV, and we're going to probably switch like a golf cart or something. That way more people can ride on it. It'll just kind of be more versatile at the track. ATV is nice. It definitely gets the job done. That thing hauls butt. But that's kind of the plans. Maybe we talked about maybe fitting a smart car in here too, just so that way if we do travel out of state, we kind of have like another vehicle, a road legal vehicle that we can cruise around in if we need to run into stores or whatever, or without having to drop the trailer and hook the truck and do all that type of stuff. But if we got to do that, that's no big deal. All right, there you have it, the NFT trailer reveal. It's like NFT NESFAB Talon, NFT NESFAB trailer, NFTR. Hey, this is the NFTR. I don't know, but this is the mothership for NFT. So yeah, here's a little walk through, a little reveal for you guys. Hope you guys are as stoked as I am. This is crazy. You know, I've thought about getting an enclosed trailer for years, and then here it is. Here it is in the flesh. So I mean, we got big goals, we got big plans, we got big ambitions for the car. My biggest passion in life is like racing cars. It's just like I love doing it. The reward from succeeding is unexplainable. The emotions that go through you after you get a PB, after you accomplish something with the car, it's unexplainable unless you have experienced it. I'm sure people can say the same thing for any passion that they have in life. So that's going to do it for this video, you guys. In the next video, we'll be setting up the trailer. I'll bring you guys along with me, getting it all outfitted, set up, get all the shelving and everything up, and getting it ready to go racing. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Get out there, GST, baby.